Hello and welcome, and this is Training the Right Way, and I am Andy Wright. Right, I'm going to carry on with Odysee, and I'm going to show you how to set up a live stream. If you are doing that, then it's really useful, really easy, very similar to uploading a video file. Let's go over and I'll show you Andy Wright Travel. So here we are. We have the live stream button. So it all looks very complicated, but it's not. Make sure that you have the correct channel selected. We'll come back to these later, but we're going to publish a new live stream. And of course, this is the details you're going to have to put in. So this is, you have to make this up yourself. I tend to do a same thing for every video, every live stream, because consistency. So like that. And then of course my live stream, I'll put the details in later. You can of course go live now, or you can do a scheduled time. So we're going to do 25th at 10 a.m. That's the schedule thing. You have to load a thumbnail. It doesn't like it when you don't, and of course you cannot drag and drop. Okay, so we find the file, and then we click on it, and it will then say, do you want to load this up? It's very annoying. I've mentioned that before. Why it does that, no idea. And if you've gone through the hassle of doing a thumbnail, then surely to God you want to upload it. Why would it ask you? But hey, who am I to argue? Obviously, if you had memberships, you could limit the viewers, tags, things like that. You only have 5. There's only 5 allowable. You can do other options as well if you wish. I don't bother with that. And make sure the channel is correct, and then you click create. So when you create, it will actually create the outline. The live stream settings that you're going to need, and this is the 2 things that you'll need if you are going to be using OBS or any other streaming software. So the stream key, once you set that, you can reuse it. That's really useful, unlike other platforms where you have to keep on putting in the different keys, and it's very annoying. But don't forget the server as well. When it's done and finished processing, you'll be able to click on this, and it will take you to the actual page for that live stream. Over here, obviously the options, give it some LBC, edit it or delete it, or get the link for that particular live stream. Now, once it's done, it will appear, oops, wrong one. It will appear on your front page eventually. Obviously people can click on it and set the timer reminder. Obviously live streams, local setup, pending live stream uploads. So all of these were live streams. There is some instructions down here telling you how to do the setup, and certainly the bitrate is important. That's concerning the OBS software. I believe that I've just left my OBS software at default and it seems to work fine. So there you go, that's how you set up a live stream. We'll come back for part 3 and show you what happens after the live stream, because that is annoyingly confusing. And I'll show you, just in case it does happen, what happens when the live stream doesn't save properly and you end up having to get a workaround. So come back again for part 3, Odysee. Sorry to interrupt the video, I've just got another t-shirt for you. This is what I'm wearing right now. Say hello, it would be rude not to. This can be found on my website, andywrightshop.co.uk, where you can find merchandise items such as t-shirts and mugs. And obviously this will help support the channel if you purchase a product from my shop. Anyway, thank you for listening.